cold cheap coffee. Never done an unboxing video before, so bear with me. And it's gonna be an unboxing of the Xhdata D-219. You probably have heard about this radio, and I've seen all the positive reviews, and since I'm a big fan of the Texan R9012, which is, you know, kind of similar cheap price range, I'm just curious to see how this really performs. So many nice reviews about this one, so without further ado, let's get it out of the box. Price, by the way, was $10.99 here in Germany on Amazon. Gray version, silver version is, I think, $11.99, so €1 more. The Texan R9012 currently sells for about €18 on Amazon, if I'm not mistaken, so still the cheapest usable radio out there, probably. Let's get it out of the box. Oh yeah, we got a box inside the box, and by the way, this box was in the Amazon box. Lots of boxes. There we go. Xhdata D-219 high sensitivity 11 band receiver. Oh. No frills, gray, not silver gray. Not gonna pay, it's like silver gray is 10% more. €1 makes almost 10% in that price range, so that's so much. Ah, nice. Comes packaged well in this plastic wrap. The manual, 7 kinds operation manual. 7 languages probably. Yeah, we don't need that. We don't need the box. And we don't need the plastic wrapper. Okay, here we go. First impression, lightweight. Same size about as the R9012. Almost the same color. Let's check the antenna. It's nice and firm here. Let's see how long. About the same length as the R9012. In fact, let me check for a second. Get it out. The antenna of the R9012 feels better, but maybe the Xhdata antenna will get better over time. Yeah, you get them close together like this. I think the Texan antenna is slightly longer. Let's see. Just a bit. You see? That longer one is the Texan, so, but, you know, it's still too short either way for shortwave listening, so we're gonna need a wire. Got the on-off switch. How do the switches feel? Oh, they feel okay. Same as on the Texan. Volume tuning feels good. The needle is straight. I've heard people complain, oh, it feels really good. Much smoother than on the R9012. Nice. This feels actually very nice. Very nice. Impressive. I'm already happy. We get FM 87 to 108, 64 to 87, 522 to 1620, European 9 kHz steps version, and 475 to 22 MHz. Yeah. Let me get some batteries and let's just test it. It feels sturdy, feels good. Just like the Texan. Same build quality, probably same factory anyways. I'll be right back with some batteries. Alright, I'm back. Got some AA batteries. And let's put them in and see how this radio tunes. Oh yeah. Okay, first I'm opening. There's a serial number. Maybe some of you know how to read that number and can find out when this radio was made. Anyways, curious to see how this one tunes, as the tuning wheel feels very good, but it's a DSP based radio. It's a good DSP chip though. And maybe I can find a picture of the inside and show you guys right now. And it's a very good recent chipset in there. Not like most cheap DSP based radios in that analog style. Like I already own 2 kind of weird off-brand €5 DSP based analog dial radios, and they are very, very, very bad. Like they are, one of them is unusably bad, so I hope this is gonna be better, and we will probably do a comparison. Because the one that's really bad has one of these early DSP chips that just cut in and out of signal, and it's and you cannot really listen to that. Okay, just extended the antenna. Let's go out of there. Let's focus the cam. There we go. And turn down the volume. Let's just turn it on and see how it scans. FM 1.
Möglich ist zum Beispiel, wenn man ein
It scans. I can already tell it scans it's nice. It's a good radio. Stations still kind of pop up. You know, it's not like tuning the R9012, where it's like an old school superhead analog radio where the signal gets stronger and weaker. They are getting there with DSP chips, but I can still feel stations kind of just pop being there. Sound quality, it's okay. It's of course nothing really good in that small tiny radio with a tiny speaker. About the same as the R9012, which actually is surprisingly good. Let's crank the volume. It distorts, but nobody cranks these radios on that speaker anyways, that loud. But tuning feels very good. Tuning feels so much better than on the R9012. Very precise. Very nice. And seems to be catching alright stations. DSP-based radio is usually very good on FM. And I would put it on an FM fight with the D-Gen, which is a PLL radio, but it's the king of FM DXing, for real. But maybe this one gets in the ballpark. For 10 bucks, it would be amazing. Or 11. Let's just go for 31 meter band, I'd say. Or not, let's go 25 meter. Yeah. On the whip. Let's see if we can catch Radio China International or something. Just testing how tuning shortwave feels. Tuning, just the tuning wheel feels very nice. Feels much better than this one, even though this is nice and old school, but this has, you know, backlash and this is some wiggle in the wheel, some play in there, so this is much more precise. Actually, you know, let me get a wire. This is not very fair. Nobody actually uses shortwave listening without an external antenna. Alright, here we go. It's in the end of my wire antenna I got hanging outside, about 12 meters, in a good position, relatively good for my living situation, my location. And let's just see, we're still on the 35 meter band. Actually, you know what, let's go down there, see how precise it is. Let's go on the, let's see if we can get Africa FM on 21550. It's usually receivable at this time of the day, so let's see. And it's usually the only station up in that 21 megahertz range, so we're gonna know how precise this thing is, at least in that band. You can hear that popping, you hear that? I can continuously, slowly dialing the tuning wheel. But it just pops between stations. Or between frequencies. Either way, much better than having it mute between frequencies like the Texan PL380 I own. There we go. That's Africa. And it's about right. It's about it. Slightly right of 21.5. Reception feels good. Actually, you know what? Let's compare this to the R9012 real quick. Hold on. Let's see. I'm gonna do a better comparison in a different video, I think. check the Xhdata. I don't know, I think the text still sounds a little better, but this is not sounding as worse as bad as some people make it to sound. Of course, you're not gonna get a hi-fi anything. Yeah, nice little radio. I'm very happy with my purchase. This might be the best cheap radio of the year. Really glad I bought it. And we're gonna have lots of fun with that one. I'm gonna do an in-depth video at some other point. Like it's around noon right now, so reception would be too bad. I'm gonna compare it to the Texan, and maybe throw the DJ in there. See how either of those hold up to that one. Nice purchase. I would highly recommend. Nice gift also. It's very cheap. The batteries are probably gonna last forever. And yeah, thanks for watching, my friends. Make sure to subscribe. We're gonna do more stuff like this in the future, and peace out. See you next time. Bye bye. And let me know in the comments what you think of the Xhdata so far. Maybe you own one, maybe you own these two. What do you think in comparison? I feel like one should own both. This is like the proper old school super head single conversion radio like back in the days, and this is kind of, you know, one of the most recent DSP chipsets for that kind of radio. And man, the tuning feels so good. Wow. $10.99. Very happy with my purchase. This radio deserves an award.